Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning Introduction to Excel for Data Analysis. Excel is one of the most widely used tools for data analysis due to its versatility and ease of use. This class will introduce fundamental Excel functionalities that every data analyst should master. Basic functions and formulas. Excel provides built-in functions that help in data computation, analysis, and decision-making. Some essential functions include sum adds up a range of values. Example, equals sum A1 A10, sums the values in cells A1 to A10. Average calculates the average, mean, of a range. Example, equals average, B1 B10, finds the average of cells B1 to B10. Count counts the number of numeric values in a range. Example, equals count, A1 A10, counts how many numeric values are in the range. If, returns different results based on a condition. Example, equals if, A1 50, pass, fail. If A1 is greater than 50, the function returns pass, otherwise fail. VLOOKUP and lookup. Search for values in a table. Equals VLOOKUP, lookup underscore value, table underscore array, call underscore index, false. Used to search for a specific value in a vertical dataset. Left, right, mid, extract parts of a text string. Example, equals left, A1 3, extracts the first 3 characters of A1. Concatenate / concat, combine text from multiple cells. Example, equals concat, A1, B1, merges the values of A1 and B1 with a space. Mastering these functions improves data manipulation and decision-making in Excel. Data entry and formatting. Proper data entry and formatting ensure that the dataset is clean, readable, and suitable for analysis. Key techniques include cell formatting. Bold, italic, underline to highlight important data. Cell colors and borders for better readability. Number formatting. Set cells as currency, percentage, date, etc. for accuracy. Data validation. Restrict data entry to specific types, e.g., only numbers between 1 to 100. Example, using drop-down lists, data validation list. Freezing panes. Keep headers visible while scrolling through large datasets, view freeze panes. Text to columns. Split combined data into separate columns, e.g., separating first-last into 2 columns. Proper formatting ensures clean and well-organized datasets, making data analysis easier. Working with large datasets. Handling large datasets efficiently is a crucial skill for data analysts. Important Excel features include using tables. Convert data into a structured Excel table, Ctrl+T. Makes filtering, sorting, and calculations easier. Conditional formatting. Highlight important data points automatically. Example, highlighting all sales above $10,000 in green. Removing duplicates. Data remove duplicates, useful for cleaning up datasets. Splitting and merging cells. Combine data using AND equals A1 and B1. Split names, dates, or text using text to columns. Pivot tables. Used to summarize large datasets quickly. Example, find total sales per region without manually adding numbers. Working with large datasets requires efficient filtering, sorting, and summarization for effective analysis. Filtering and sorting data. Sorting. Arrange data in ascending or descending order. Example, sort sales from highest to lowest. Filtering. Show only specific data, e.g., customers from a specific country. Example, use autofilter to display only products above $500. Advanced filtering. Apply multiple conditions. Example, show only sales above $500 in New York. Custom sorting. Sort based on multiple columns, e.g., first by region, then by sales. Filtering and sorting allow analysts to quickly extract meaningful insights from raw data. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.